Hello everyone, welcome to the CareerTrek's YouTube channel. So this is a playlist for Python which is designed in such a way so as to help you start your journey in data science. So in this playlist, we will be studying about the basics of Python and how Python programming is done. As we all know that Python is very much necessary for machine learning and exploratory data analysis. So we need to know the basics of Python programming language and the basic libraries which will be helping you to develop the machine learning models and to do the EDA, that is the exploratory data analysis. In this playlist, we will be starting right from the basics, and then we will be studying about the basic libraries, that is NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, and then we will be performing exploratory data analysis using Python. I'm starting from the basics. So we need to know what is an IDE and where we will be coding. Now, what is an IDE or a code editor? An IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is a program which is dedicated to software development. They are comprised of several tools specifically designed for software development. In simple words, an IDE is an environment in which we write and execute the Python codes. So for Python, we have different popular IDEs such as PyCharm, PyDev, Spider. In this playlist, we will be using Jupyter Notebook to write and execute our Python codes. Now, before we begin with a programming language, we should be well ready with the prerequisites for the same. Now let us see how do we install Python and Jupyter Notebook. So to install Python and Jupyter Notebook, we will be installing Anaconda. Anaconda is a distribution of Python and R programming language which is widely used for machine learning. To begin, search Anaconda on Google. On the top, you will be seeing the official website for Anaconda. On clicking that link, a page will open that looks like this. Go to the pricing tab. On this page, you will be seeing various packages and pricing for Anaconda. Here, we will opt for the free version. So we will click on Get Started, and then on the next page, we will click Download. And as we can see, the download has begun. The size of the setup file is 510 MB. So this will take a while to download. Once you are done with downloading the setup file, just click on Open. On opening the setup file, this window will open. Simply click on Next. Here we have the license agreement. You can read the agreement and click on I agree to proceed. Then it will ask for if you're installing just for yourself or for all the users. Here I will click on Just Me. On this page, you need to provide the destination where you want to install Anaconda. As I can see, by default, it has taken a location in my user profile. I'll click on Next. Then, if you don't have Python installed in your system, you can check the second checkbox. If it is already installed, you can check the first checkbox. After that, just simply click on Install and the Anaconda package will get installed in your computer. Once the setup is installed in your system, simply open the search tab and type Anaconda and open the Anaconda prompt. To open the Jupyter Notebook, simply type Jupyter Notebook in the Anaconda prompt and hit enter. This will open the Jupyter Notebook on your default browser. So this is the landing screen of Jupyter Notebook. What I'll do is I will create a new folder in this. To create a folder, we will click on the new button and click on folder. So this will create a new folder in our Jupyter Notebook. I'll open this, and over here I will create a new Python 3 file. Over here, this is a code block where we write our code. We can add multiple code blocks using the insert cell button. If I click on this, another code block gets inserted. Now let us write our first program using Python. So I'll simply print hello world. In Python, to print a statement, we use the function print, print, and the brackets. Over here, within the single quotes or double quotes, I'll type the string, which is hello world. And I click on run. Here we go. We have successfully executed our first program. So that was about Jupyter Notebook. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel.